All right, today we have with us Bob Stephen, who is the CEO of RSC out in California, and he is going to be talking with us about how he is working with his clients to use Archibus to help them through this coronavirus pandemic. So welcome, Bob. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Danielle. It's a pleasure.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. So first, if you could just give us a little bit of a background, what kind of challenge or challenges were your clients trying to solve for?
So incident reporting was the first thing that they were looking for. And the incident tracking allows the client to be able to record, they're at their desk and not quite feeling well, somebody was called to give them assistance. And that application can then record who was involved, who treated them, did they go to the hospital, did they leave of their own accord, what treatment was given, both on-site and off-site.
Great. And can you tell us a little bit more about the applications that you used or even the processes that you implemented to help address these challenges?
Yeah, so first it was the environmental health and safety application. But prior to that, the Archibus application tracks both space and inventory and personnel and occupancy. So the environmental health and safety incident tracking leverages both space inventory and personnel and occupancy. So they had their floor plans in place. They had a synchronization with their HR system. They were able to track where people sit on the floor. They were able to see the floor plan and how the rooms are categorized. And because of that, they can respond quickly and know exactly where they need to go through the incident tracking application. Some of the other applications that are leveraged are the conditioning activity and also the building operations module. So within the incident tracking and environmental health and safety application, should the floor need to be cleaned, a work request can be automatically routed to a craftsperson to come on site and clean the floor. And that can be tracked through the work order system so that that craftsperson can then identify the work he's done for the week. They can categorize it by what was accomplished and how it was accomplished. And additionally, on the commission, you can then track things like the condition of the materials inside the building as well. Are things under warranty? Was this caused because of something that was defective? So those are the applications that are being used.
Great, thank you. And I know you've mentioned a little bit of the results, but are there any other results or outcomes from implementing these applications or processes that you want to share?
So yes, one of the wonderful things about the Archibus application is that it reports in multiple ways. And so we just talked about incident tracking, and that can be done on your handheld or a desktop at the incident site. And that's what I call an individual contributor. So somebody's actually on site collecting the data and inputting it. But Archibus also produces reports that allows managers to look at overall incidents by month, incidents by week, incidents by year or quarter, types of incidents. And that can all be tracked at a higher level in the home pages, which are metrics. They have metrics as well. So am I trending up with my incidents? Have I had multiple incidents? And all that can be tracked in the metrics in the Archibus homepage. And then the Archibus homepage also has wonderful chart capabilities that will allow you to do bar charts or pie charts or anything like that. And that can then be read by the higher level, the managers, the C level, the V level, vice presidents, senior vice presidents, the COO, CEO, CFO, things like that. So you have the three levels of reporting: the individual contributor, the middle manager supervisor that can then analyze the data, and then the C&V level that can actually see the trends within the application.
Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing all of that with us today. We really appreciate you taking the time. We hope that Archibus can be used to help more customers through this crisis.
Thank you, Danielle. Appreciate it.